Hello everyone and welcome to Mathematics School. Let us solve a question of parabola in this video. We will also be revising a beautiful property of tangents to parabola. So let us begin. The question goes like this: the focus of the parabola which touches four sides, यानी चार tangent lines हमें दे दी गई है, and we need to get the focus of that parabola. Okay, the focus of the parabola which touches the four lines is alpha beta, then mod alpha upon beta. Okay, only tangent line से focus निकालना है. How we are going to do that? First of all, so I'm going to trace these four tangent lines. ठीक है, ये दो lines तो हो गई. Now the third line has x-intercept -1 and the y-intercept is +1. So I am tracing that line. X-intercept -1 and the y-intercept is +1. So ये रही third line. Coming to the fourth line, it has x-intercept is -4 and the y-intercept is -8. Y-intercept is -8. -4 पे चलेंगे पहले. Okay, and -8. So for that, let us extend this y-axis. Now I'm going to trace this line. ठीक है, तो कुछ इस तरह से हमारे पास लाइन आ रही होगी. So these are the four tangent lines that we are getting for the parabola. Okay, so let us come back to the question. After tracing the tangent lines, what are the four tangent lines? X-axis, y-axis, x minus y plus 1, and -2x minus y minus 8 equals to 0. A parabola is touching all these four lines. A parabola is touching all these four lines. So I'm just going to sketch the parabola, a rough sketch, the four sides for the parabola is touching. Okay, how we can trace it? Maybe the parabola is something like, okay, maybe the parabola is something like this. So I have traced it a little. Okay, ऐसा कुछ parabola होगा touching all the four sides, and I need to find out its vertex. Sorry, not vertex, the focus of the parabola. अब focus of the parabola के लिए क्या करेंगे देखो. सबसे पहले just notice that they have provided us four tangent lines. ठीक है, four tangent lines है. Two tangent lines have their point of intersection as origin, right? X-axis and y-axis का point of intersection आ रहा है origin. अब आप ध्यान से देखो. I'm going to make use of the property, the result of the parabola. Which result? See, I'm taking three tangent lines. One tangent line is x minus y plus 1 equal to 0, y equal to 0, x equals to 0. These three tangent lines make a triangle which I can write as AOB. Right? I can write down this triangle as AOB. And we know that for any parabola, the circle circumscribing the triangle formed by three tangents to a parabola always passes through focus of the parabola. यानी अगर मैं एक circle construct करती हूँ with which is circumscribing the right angle triangle AOB, that means if I construct a circle with AB as diameter, then that circle is definitely going to pass through the focus of the parabola. यानी इसमें बहुत सारे points हैं, इनमें से कहीं focus of the parabola भी lie कर रहा है. But if I make use of the similar property with the other three tangents, कौन से तीन tangents लेंगे अब? अब हम tangents लेंगे x-axis, y-axis and the third line. Third line क्या है? Third line हमें दी गई है -2x minus y. So let us write it here. -8 equals to 0. ठीक है? तो इन तीनों tangent line से बना रहा triangle कौन सा है? OCD. You can see the triangle OCD. OCD is a triangle which is formed by three tangents to a parabola, and hence its circumcircle is going to pass through focus of the parabola. जिसका circumcircle होगा वो इसके focus of the parabola से definitely it is going to pass through. तो चलिए हम वो circle भी बना लेते हैं एक बार. So rough sketch of the circle with CD as diameter. CD को diameter मानते हुए आप एक circle construct करोगे. तो हमने ये सर्कल कंस्ट्रक्ट कर लिया. यानी both these circles are going to pass through focus of the parabola, so I can definitely say that their point of intersection is nothing but the focus of the parabola. यानी यही वो पॉइंट है अल्फा कॉमा बीटा जो हमें क्वेश्चन में आइडेंटिफाई करना होगा. राइट, हमें क्वेश्चन में आइडेंटिफाई करना है कि व्हाट इज अल्फा बीटा एंड वी हैव टू कंप्लीट द क्वेश्चन. So चलिए, let us find out how you are going to find that out. Very simple. Get the coordinates of A and B. A B कैसे निकालेंगे? A का मतलब है हमने जो लाइन लिया था फर्स्ट लाइन, उसमें just put x equals to 0. The B point is -1, 0. Hence the circle is x minus 0 into x plus 1, y minus 0 into y plus 1 equals to 0. ठीक है? Next what? Next we are going to find out another circle with OCD as diameter. अभी OCD को diameter लेने के लिए C के coordinates हमको चाहिए. तो C के coordinates के लिए put y equals to 0. It is -4, 0. And similarly get the coordinates of D, putting x equals to 0. So 0, -8. यानी circle आपके पास आ गया x into x plus 4 plus y into y plus 8 equals to 0. ये हमारे पास दोनों circles की equation ready है. And what we have to do is we just need to find out their point of intersection. कैसे निकालेंगे point of intersection? I can leave that calculation part for you people. What you can do is first of all just subtract these two. जैसे ही आप दोनों को subtract करते हो देखो क्या मिलेगा, x and 4x, so -3x over here, y square will get cancelled. Here we are getting y, and what about this? -8y, so -7y equals to 0. So -7y equals to 0. Let us just check the calculation part once again and then we will proceed. So हमारे पास जो coordinates, मैंने first equation सही नहीं रखा, let us correct that. जो circle का equation it should be y -1, correct? And the second equation is absolutely fine. So let us rewrite this radical axis. Basically, I'm finding subtracting these two gives me -3x, -y minus 8y means -9y, -9y equals to 0. और you're getting x is equals to -3y. ठीक है? अब इस लाइन को हम किसी भी एक सर्कल के साथ सॉल्व कर लेते हैं. Let us solve it with any one circle. So x को -3y लिखना है. मैंने फर्स्ट इक्वेशन में पुट किया. -3y into -3y plus 1 plus y square minus y equal to 0. Complete the calculation part. It will be 9y squared minus 3y plus y squared minus y equals to 0. Right? Or you are getting actually 10y squared minus 4y equals to 0. यानी either y is 0, या तो y 0 होगा, और नहीं तो हमारे पास y कितना आ रहा है? y is equals to 2/5. अब y 0 तो नहीं ले सकते. y0 आपके पास क्या है? If you take y is equals to 0, then let us see, is it possible to trace a parabola touching all the four sides together over here? 0, 0 अगर आप parabola का vertex ले रहे हो, in that case क्या होगा? आप parabola को trace करना चाहें with the four tangents in this way, then it is not coming out to be a parabola over here. It's not possible to trace a parabola over here. तो 0 तो मैंने reject किया, y को ले लिया -2/5. But if y is -2/5, 2/5, then let us calculate x. What is x? Just now we got the relation between x and y. X is -3y. X जो आ रहा है, that is -3y. That is -6/5. Now, what is the focus we are getting for the parabola? We are getting it as -6/5, 2/5. What you need to find out here in the question, you need mod alpha upon beta. So just calculate it and the answer turns out to be 3. Answer कितना आ जाता है? This is equals to 3. Right? So I hope the question is clear to everyone. So if you like the video, then please don't forget to hit the like button. Do share and subscribe the channel with your fellow friends and aspirants. See you in the next video. Till then, bye-bye.